नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ रुद्रानी काळे। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि आजकल क्या चेंजेस लाने की जरूरत है अपने सोसाइटी में। कल ही एक रिपोर्ट आई थी कि द मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड इन द वर्ल्ड, थिंक इट इज आवर वर्क, द यूथ, who can handle it and who can change this scenario. So I think like I'll ask you, what do you think? What should we do about this?
First of all, I think everyone in our city should come together, at least have conversations over it, and together we can address these issues. We can set drives and all of tree plantation, so we can address this issue in this way.
Yes. On this Sunday only, we have this Sankalpa Vanarai, this group where we can go and plant trees. It's free of cost for everyone, and everyone can join. Give their it's basically श्रमदान जे आपण म्हणतो ते जर आपण तिथे केलं तर तेवढी पण सपोर्ट खूप चांगला आहे आणि ते खूप बेनिफिशियल असणार आपल्या फ्युचरसाठी. तर बेसिकली असं आहे की आपली औरंगाबादची जी पॉप्युलेशन आहे ती 15 to 18 lakhs अशी आहे. तर त्यामध्ये एव्हरी पर्सन नीड्स 22 trees फॉर हिज लाईफ टाईम टू सर्वाइव्ह बाय ब्रीदिंग दिस ट्रीज. 22 trees is needed by one single person. So trees we have, but we need total 4 crore trees in Aurangabad, which is very essential today. So now I think we all need to come together, the youth, the parents, the grandparents, all the children, everybody can come together for this. We have this drives on Sundays or Saturdays, anything that's possible for you. You can contact us also on our Insta ID is Lakshya IBF. You can contact us there, or uh, or else you can directly contact me also by Rudrani Kade Insta ID, or hers is Indrani Kade.
Indrani Kali.
Thank you.
And youth have become more, I think they have become more responsible and more aware. आपको क्या लगता है पढ़ाई का कोई प्रेशर आता है पेरेंट्स से या फिर सिबलिंग से या पीयर प्रेशर की वजह से कुछ होता है मतलब आई जस्ट वांट टू नो हाउ इफ अगर आपको कुछ प्रेशर आता है तो हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट.
Okay. So I'll start from the start itself. Actually, I completed my 10th before lockdown. हमारा लॉकडाउन की वजह से लास्ट पेपर तक नहीं हुआ था ज्योग्राफी का. लॉकडाउन स्टार्टेड एट दैट टाइम. उसके बाद आई वाज एट होम फॉर लाइक 2 years, 11 12. तो तब आई हैड एंजाइटी इश्यूज, अ लॉट ऑफ एंजाइटी इश्यूज, लाइक अ लॉट. तो बहुत आई हैड दिस रेस्टलेसनेस, आई हैड पैनिक अटैक्स, एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो वो लाइक घर पे रहने की वजह से या फिर कुछ ज्यादा सोशल इंटरेक्शन नहीं, आई लाइक टॉकिंग टू पीपल एंड तब हो नहीं रहा था. तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. और स्कूल में मुझे बहुत आदत थी सारे एक्टिविटीज वगैरह में पार्ट लेने की, एंड डायरेक्टली 2 years डायरेक्टली एट होम इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. But my dad and my neighbors, we started a thing that every night we used to come together wearing masks and all, sitting apart from each other, and we used to talk, we used to sing songs, we used to dance, anything like this. So it was fun at that time and it helped me. But after that, what happened, I wanted to pursue law only. I started studying for CLAT exam in my 11th standard itself. So I wanted to pursue law, but I had clashes with my father, depending on this key. He wanted me to do UPSC only, and I wanted to pursue career in law only. I wanted to do judiciary. I want to become a judge, basically. So ये anxiety issues बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए, बहुत issues होने लगे. We literally didn't talk to each other for like 2 months. My dad and me, myself. But then he agreed to me. He's like, I know you're my daughter only. I know you're 2 steps ahead than me and all. So he agreed to it. He was like कि तू कर ले UPSC, sorry, तू कर ले law, and then we'll do UPSC. I was like, okay, I'm okay with that. Because अभी जुडिशरी का जो है उसके लिए पहले 5 years का लॉ कोर्स, एंड देन यू कैन गिव JMFC डायरेक्टली फॉर द जज एग्जाम. बट अभी उन्होंने 3 years का एक्सटेंशन लाया है, प्रैक्टिस कंपलसरी कर दी है. तो यू नीड टू डू प्रैक्टिस एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव JMFC फॉर जज. तो इसमें पीयर प्रेशर कैसे आता है? तो पीयर प्रेशर इतना है एक्चुअली कि जो साथ में होते हैं लोग, दे लाइक हमने ये रिसर्च पेपर लिखा, अकेडमिक्स करना पड़ेगा, इतनी 75% अटेंडेंस होनी ही चाहिए. तो ये सब है. एंड ऑल्सो देन पेरेंट्स आर लाइक कि पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं हुई, ये वगैरह वगैरह नॉर्मल. बट पेरेंट्स आर नॉट दैट इनटू दिस कि करना ही चाहिए स्ट्रेस. दे डोंट गिव मी स्ट्रेस ऑफ एनी काइंड, बट पीयर प्रेशर. और जो अकेडमिक्स का आजकल चेंज हुआ है ट्रेंड, लाइक हमारे जो पेरेंट्स है व्हाट दे थिंक कि नहीं ये तो लॉ डिग्री है, लॉ डिग्री मिलने के बाद यू कैन बी एन एडवोकेट एंड यू कैन जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इन द कोर्ट. but it's not so today.
Of course, I also think the same.
हाँ, तो it's not so today. It's completely different from that.
It is about skills nowadays.
It is very much about skills, and it is also about what you do in your degree time, graduation period. So
Yeah.
you need to publish like 3 to 4 research papers. That's literally compulsory if you want to go into corporate. Corporate jobs are there where you work for companies, company lawyers, or else boutique firms are there. Boutique firms are basically these firms, they take small cases and all, and they work in the courtroom. They go to courts and all, and also you can give judiciary, you can be a judge. So it's a lot on a also. So it's a lot. So, I think that's the main reason of pressure. So now how I tackle with it. So basically my idea has always been to take one step at a time, one thing at a time. I first take, if I'm doing research paper now, I'll completely do the research only, anything related to it. And we also say this कि जो हम करते हैं वही हमारे पास आता है. आई बिलीव टोटली इन दैट, लाइक कर्मा ऑल्सो, एंड what we think or what we attract comes to us, the secret. So I believe in that. And if I'm researching on a topic, just recently I took the topic of GST regulations, the changes of recent two slab changes of on small retailers margins. So if I'm studying that, I'll get that in newspaper, I'll get that on my Insta feed also. So it works that way. And then I finish it, then I again move back to UPSC. I study UPSC daily. I read a newspaper daily, the Indian Express. That is very essential for UPSC also and for law also. I have this live law channel. I follow them, and Instagram also helps us. Like parents think कि हम social media पे time pass करते हैं. It's nothing like that. We get a lot of knowledge from Instagram of the post. But when you follow these channels like Bar and Bench, Live Law, Indian Express, The Hindu, it's very important. If you follow them, you get top news in your feed. You're scrolling, you get a reel, you get entertainment also, and you get knowledge also. So it's basically a one-to-one conversation with them. You get it depends also on the person. If your feed is basically dance, singing, and all like this, yeah, for anything memes and all,
You will get that only.
you'll get that only. But if your approach is towards this, ki I need to study also, you'll follow these pages. It's basically you don't have to do anything. You just need to follow them. You follow them and you'll get them on your feed and you'll read from them.
But what you will get addicted to it then? Just like just
Instagram and all.
हाँ.
So people get addicted to it, but I have never faced this issue, or none of my friends have faced this issue of addiction. I don't know how it. I've never heard any of my peer person ki they cannot live without Instagram and all. They're like, if we don't get Instagram for a week, we are okay with it. And I've tried this. I've tried this myself. I deleted Instagram from my phone, and I did not install it for a week, and I was okay with it. I didn't have any problem with it.
Okay.
And also, I would like to share,
Yes.
there are tools like digital well-being and all, where we can set timelines for particular apps. Like I have set timeline for Instagram for about 1 to 2 hours. So after using Instagram for 1 hour,
Yeah.
the app directly closes. So
You'll not get any sort of notification from
yes,
the app. So
Okay.
it works very great for this.
so we can also use that.
So we can decide on the time कि कितना time मुझे देखना है, मुझे 1
Yes.
घंटा देखना है, मुझे आधा घंटा
Yes.
देखना
हाँ,
है
right.
दिन भर में. तो उससे ज्यादा अगर टाइम रहा तो फिर वो अपने आप बंद हो जाता
Close.
है.
हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
close हो जाएगा.
वाह, ग्रेट. और ये जिनको सच में कुछ भी नहीं आता है वो लोग भी कर पाएंगे.
Yes,
They
yes,
can
it's
install
very
that app.
easy.
It's not an
It's
app.
not an app.
It is a default feature on every phone.
Okay.
Every
Digital
phone has
well-being.
this. But हम
Yes.
इतना फोन बाकी के चीजों में यूज करते हैं, we don't know the settings also.
Yes.
I personally feel कि जब आप फोन खरीदते हो, आपने सारी settings चेक करनी चाहिए कि इसमें क्या features हैं क्या नहीं. It can help us. A small tip just.
Yes, I know. सच में ये बहुत हेल्पफुल एप्स वगैरह ये सब पे फॉलो करना या इससे देखना, और उसकी जगह इस वक्त ऐसे हम सामने मिल रहे हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू फील, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीस टू?
Okay. So प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि हमारी जो जनरेशन है, they don't use WhatsApp also much. They use WhatsApp for just like updating someone or like important college documents and all, everything like that. But if people are chatting and all, I myself feel कि this interaction is very more helpful and very more connecting with each other. So we need to do this also. Just talking on over Instagram, because people are good at texting, but when you meet them, it's a lot of different experience you get. So this is really important, and this is beneficial also.
आप
I had one sir in my coaching classes, he told us कि if you're pursuing law, then you should at least help four females in your lifetime. That is what you will remember on your deathbed. He said this. So in that context, it's like I want to help people. I want to give justice to women.
Can you name your sir as well?
His name was Nikhil sir. We used to call him Nikhil sir only.
Okay.
He teaches in Ireland.
Okay.
It's, here in Samajnagar itself.
Okay.
So he said us कि you need to help just four women in life. जब आप मर रहे होंगे तो आपके सामने आपकी पूरी लाइफ फ्लैश होगी, बट आपके चेहरे पे जो स्माइल आएगी वो ये सोच के आएगी कि मैंने किसी को हेल्प किया था. So that is the thing, and it stayed with me, and it will always stay with me. And he said four, but I want to help 4 lakh women. And in India, it's really important when we check this data and all. Like we have 50-50 population, 50% female, 50% male in India. Here, 50 out of the 50%, 25% of women face domestic violence in our country. Like it's 1 in 2.
Okay.
So that's a lot, and it makes me cry every single time I hear this news in court and all. So I really want to help people. I really want to help women to come out of that misery of their lives, and I'm ready to go pro bono cases for this and all. But pro bono is basically without any fees and all.
Okay.
Without any fees, you can just take the cases.
Wow.
And I also want to start this NGO. After this Lakshya Ved, we are planting trees and all. My dad thinks he has this vision of helping for trafficking, human trafficking जो होता है उसके against काम करना है पापा को.
What is human trafficking? Can you elaborate?
Human trafficking is basically someone buys a child or a woman from this country and sells it outside, and it happens in India now also.
होता है सच में?
सच में होता है.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा लेवल पे होता है, बस बाहर नहीं आता है. And I also heard a podcast in which the woman she supports prostitutes who are bonded in that thing. So she takes them out of there and she gives them life. Basically, they're dying there, and we need to help them. It's really important. So second is the thing. First is human trafficking. Second is helping prostitutes, and third is domestic violence. That is for me. I need to help women come out of this domestic violence.
I just want to say one thing. Is it that only women are facing domestic violence? Males too might be having something like that. Is it so? I'm just asking. I don't know.
Yeah. So if we see the stats of that, it's like 2 to 3% out of 100 that is male,
But only 2 to
Yeah.
3%.
and 50% of women face this.
Now also.
Yes, now also, today also. Like someone is getting beaten at someone's place now also. Like it's very devastating to see this. And we see this in court every single day. Women come to us, come to our offices. I have interned in some offices. So women come to our places and they're like कि they start crying कि रोज मारता है, बच्चे का ध्यान भी नहीं रखता, कोई है नहीं कुछ करने के लिए. And I literally start crying in front of them only. I know I should hold my emotions, but it's very devastating scenario.
Wow. But not wow for that, but your goals, listening to that, I just said wow. I understand what you might be feeling. But अगर आप डॉक्टर बनते हो तो मरीज की वो देख के अगर आपको भी रोना आएगा तो नहीं चलेगा, वैसे ही वकील
That's
बन
true.
रहे हो तो
That's true. I'm working on that because after I graduate, I'll not do that. I assure you with this, because we are learning. We are in the learning phase. We make mistakes, and I think it's important to share our mistakes also.
wow,
It gives courage to others also.
Yes, that's really nice. And I acknowledge you, Rudrani, for this कि आपने ये तक बताया कि you are facing anxiety issues, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग फेस करते हैं पर वो बताते नहीं है. और आपने
Yeah.
अभी जो बताया वो भी इट टेक्स करेज. बहुत लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते, और कुछ लोग क्या होता है किसी और को देख के अरे इसने बोला तो मेरे साथ भी तो ऐसा हो रहा था, मन में तो भी आता है, कम से कम
बराबर.
कोशिश भी करेंगे एक्सप्रेस करने की. I just want to communicate this to everyone right now, whoever is watching, कि जब भी आपको एंजाइटी इश्यूज हो, जब भी आपको कुछ भी हो ना, किसी से तो भी कम से कम कम्युनिकेट कीजिए, टॉक टू समवन, जिसको मतलब द पर्सन हूम यू रियली ट्रस्ट. ऐसे